He's a boy, so he didn't really get me much. So, yeah. This weekend has been really boring. I'm sorry I don't talk much. Lucky cat. I'm sorry I don't talk much, but yeah, it's kind of boring, kind of. Thank you. Okay, so that was all from Jacob. Now on to Nikki 5005. She gave me a couple gifts. So yeah. Yay, thank you for the animation, Nikki. Now I think these are clothes because they're like colored and animations are like not colored, so. Oh, thank you so much for that. That is so cute. Oh, that's perfect with that. Oh my god, that's perfect. Thank you, Nikki. These are probably jeans. Oh, shorts. Oh, I like that so much. Oh my god. I'm actually going to flip right now because I love that so much together. Oh, I love that so much. Okay, so that was it from Nikki. Now on to Taki's slash Brianna slash Brie. So yeah, she gave me a lot, and there's more. But we're gonna open all of Brie's and then we'll open Alyssa's. So yeah, let's get started. So these are Brie's, by the way. And I think she said she was gonna give me my wish list. So yeah, I think she gave me my wish list. Yeah, she gave me my wish list. So I can look cute. Looks like someone sent me a message, but that's okay. I'm not Alyssa too. Okay, yeah, that was on my wish list too. It's pretty. Hold on a second, guys. Okay. So that was on my wish list as well. And this one is. Yeah, she gave me my wish list. Now let's see. She said she was gonna give me my wish list and then give me some animations. So yeah. Sorry, that stuck in my head. So let's see. Yep, she gave me more. So, Jace, yeah, totally. Jess slash Alyssa. Thank you. The basic type. I need the basic types. So, yeah. So, Alyssa slash Jess gave me some. Oh, a lot of clothes. Thank you. I like that. Go on, speak. This one you say, you need me. No, I need you more. Okay, I guess it's not gonna load. So, what the heck? Okay, I guess it's not gonna load. I might need to refresh my page. So, I'll be right back. Yo. Okay, guys, I am back. Sorry for that. We're gonna finish. Yeah, we're gonna finish the notes on. So, let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay, so we're gonna have to do like 2 more pages. No, yeah, 2 more pages. So let's go. Hopefully none of them pause on me because I only have a little bit of time to record. Thank you. This is probably an animation. Yep. Let's go. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because I adore you. It's gonna load. Sweet. I'm not joking, though. Rub the horns. Okay, thank you. That's really cute. I love that so much. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because when you say you love me, no, I love you more. She says hi. They say hi back too. They say hi. No, I need you more. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because I adore you. She just gave me princess toes and I didn't even notice that. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Oh, I really like that shirt. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because when you say you need me, no, I need you more. Because I adore you. Oh, I think she was talking in a group chat. Whoops. I look sick right now. Get last gift. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making more videos and going live more. So you guys should definitely subscribe. Maddie says hey. And please like and comment anything, something nice. And I will see you guys later. Now for the shout outs.